This video will detail the installation of the Fishbone Off-Road Piranha rear bumper for the 1997 to 2006 TJ Wrangler. Step 1. Begin by removing your factory rear bumper or bumperettes. Step 2. Remove body mount bolts, 2 near the rear bumper and 2 near the gas tank. Using a 5/8 inch socket, remove the bolts that secure the body mounts near the rear bumper. Next, use a 5/8 inch socket to remove the bolts that secure the body mounts in front of the fuel tank. Step 3. Remove rear body mounts. Using a jack and a block of wood, lift one corner at a time to remove the rear body mounts. Step 4. Drill holes. Place the new rear bumper on the crossmember and align the existing holes to the bumper. Using a marker or paint pen, mark the location of the additional holes that must be drilled. It's recommended to remove the bumper prior to drilling to avoid damage to the powder coat. Use a drill stop if needed to ensure you do not puncture your fuel tank. Drill the crossmember at the locations previously marked using a 7/16 inch drill bit. Deburr and coat the drilled holes with some paint to prevent rust. Using the method described in Step 3, reinstall the rear body mounts. Secure the bumper in place using the provided bolts, washers, and nut plates. Step 6. Reinstall all body mount bolts. We recommend applying anti-seize to your bolts to prevent future issues. Reinstall all body mount bolts and torque to factory recommended specifications. Step 7. Install your D-rings. And you're done! You're ready to enjoy your new Fishbone Piranha rear bumper.
Fishbone Off-Road.